Venus, sometimes referred to as Earth's evil twin, is a planet that mirrors our own planet Earth in many ways. It's similar in size and mass, and it's shrouded in thick, reflective clouds that give it a bright, almost inviting appearance. Venus even orbits within our Sun's habitable zone, a region where temperatures could, in theory, allow for liquid water to exist on its surface. But don't let appearances fool you. Beneath its serene exterior, Venus harbors a dark and dangerous secret. Beneath its swirling clouds lies a scorching hellscape, a stark warning of what can happen when planetary conditions go awry. The surface is dotted with volcanoes and covered in lava flows. Venus is a planet of extremes, a place where scorching heat reigns supreme and crushing pressure suffocates. The atmospheric pressure at the surface is over 90 times that of Earth. Its surface is hotter than a pizza oven, reaching temperatures high enough to melt lead. This intense heat is a result of the thick atmosphere trapping solar energy. The atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas that creates a suffocating blanket around the planet. This dense atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that has turned Venus into a planetary inferno. Despite its inhospitable nature, Venus beckons us with its mysteries. Scientists are eager to explore its surface and atmosphere. It is a world of mystery, a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved. Each mission to Venus brings us closer to understanding its secrets. Studying Venus, this twisted sister of Earth, helps us understand the delicate balance that makes our own planet habitable. It offers insights into climate change and planetary evolution. It reminds us of the importance of protecting our atmosphere and the precious gift of life on Earth. Venus serves as a stark reminder of what could happen if we neglect our planet. Imagine a world where the sun is a distant, hazy orb, barely visible through the perpetual twilight. The sky is perpetually dim, casting an eerie glow over the landscape. The air is heavy, thick with carbon dioxide, making it difficult to see and even harder to breathe. You struggle to take a breath, the immense atmospheric pressure bearing down on you, making every inhalation a laborious task. This is Venus, where the average surface temperature is a searing 867 degrees Fahrenheit or 464 degrees Celsius. The ground is covered in volcanic plains, a testament to the planet's violent geological past. The culprit behind this extreme heat is the runaway greenhouse effect, a phenomenon where heat is trapped by the planet's thick atmosphere. Sunlight pierces Venus's thick atmosphere, heating the surface relentlessly. The sunlight that does manage to get through is absorbed by the ground. The hot surface radiates heat back out, but the dense carbon dioxide atmosphere traps it, preventing it from escaping into space. This trapped heat builds up over time, leading to temperatures that would melt lead, creating an environment that is incredibly hostile. The pressure on Venus's surface is also extreme, far beyond what we experience on Earth. It's 90 times greater than Earth's atmospheric pressure at sea level, a crushing force that would be unbearable for any human. It's the equivalent of being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface, where the weight of the water above would press down with immense force. Imagine the crushing weight of all that air, an environment hostile to life as we know it. Venus reminds us of the power of atmospheric forces and the delicate balance required to sustain life. Despite its hostile environment, Venus has been a prime target for space exploration. In the early days of the space race, both the United States and the Soviet Union sent missions to pierce the planet's veil of clouds. These early missions revealed a world shrouded in mystery, a place of extreme heat and pressure. One of the most successful missions was NASA's Magellan spacecraft, which used radar to map Venus's surface in detail. Magellan revealed a world of volcanoes, vast plains, and ancient lava flows. It provided crucial data that scientists are still analyzing today. More recently, Japan's Akatsuki spacecraft has been studying Venus's atmosphere. Akatsuki is providing insights into the planet's weather patterns, including its super-rotating atmosphere and mysterious heat distribution. These missions, past and present, have given us glimpses into the heart of this enigmatic world. Beneath Venus's thick atmosphere lies a surprisingly diverse landscape. Radar mapping has revealed a world of towering volcanoes, vast plains, and deep canyons. There are mountains that dwarf Mount Everest, and canyons that stretch for thousands of miles. Scientists believe that Venus is still volcanically active. They have observed changes in the planet's atmosphere that suggest recent eruptions. These eruptions may play a role in shaping the planet's surface and replenishing the chemicals in its atmosphere. The surface of Venus is a testament to the power of geological forces. It's a reminder that planets are dynamic, ever-changing worlds shaped by internal heat and tectonic activity. Studying Venus's geology provides clues about the evolution of rocky planets, including our own. Venus has a peculiar characteristic. It rotates backward compared to most planets in our solar system. This unique rotation is known as retrograde rotation, and it sets Venus apart in a fascinating way. While Earth spins on its axis from west to east, Venus spins from east to west. This opposite direction of rotation is quite rare and intriguing. This means that on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Imagine witnessing such a phenomenon. It would be an extraordinary sight. Scientists are still unsure why Venus rotates backward. Despite extensive research and numerous theories, the exact cause remains a mystery. Some theories suggest that a massive impact early in the solar system's history knocked Venus off its original axis. This colossal collision could have drastically altered its rotational direction. Others propose that gravitational interactions with the Sun and other planets over billions of years could have caused its retrograde rotation. These gravitational forces might have gradually influenced Venus's spin. This backward spin has a profound effect on Venus's weather patterns. The planet's atmosphere is incredibly dynamic and complex, influenced by its unique rotation. It contributes to the planet's extremely slow rotation period. Venus takes an exceptionally long time to complete one full rotation on its axis. One day on Venus is equivalent to 243 Earth days, longer than its year of 225 Earth days. This means a single day on Venus lasts longer than an entire year on the planet. Fury in the clouds. While Venus's surface is a scorching hellscape, its atmosphere is a place of intense activity. Thick clouds of sulfuric acid race around the planet at speeds of over 200 miles per hour, driven by powerful winds. These winds, combined with the intense heat, create a truly alien weather system. Lightning storms rage in the thick atmosphere, illuminating the swirling clouds. The sulfuric acid rain evaporates long before it reaches the surface, adding to the planet's hostile environment. Venus's atmosphere is a stark reminder of the destructive power of unchecked greenhouse gases. It highlights the delicate balance of atmospheric conditions necessary for a planet to be habitable. Was Venus once an oasis? Billions of years ago, when the solar system was young, Venus may have been a very different place. Some scientists believe that Venus may have once had oceans of liquid water, a more temperate climate, and perhaps even the conditions necessary for life to emerge. As the sun grew hotter over time, temperatures on Venus rose. This triggered a runaway greenhouse effect, evaporating the oceans and turning the planet into the inferno it is today. If Venus was once a habitable world, it serves as a cautionary tale about the fragility of planetary environments. The possibility of a wetter, more hospitable past on Venus is a subject of intense scientific debate. Future missions to Venus aim to gather more data to unravel this mystery and understand the planet's dramatic transformation. Unveiling the Mysteries. In recent years, there has been renewed interest in exploring Venus. Several new missions are planned or under development, aiming to unlock the secrets hidden beneath the planet's thick clouds. NASA is planning 2 missions to Venus in the coming years, Veritas and Da Vinci+. Veritas will orbit Venus using radar to create 3-dimensional maps of the surface and study the planet's geology. Da Vinci Plus will drop a probe through Venus's atmosphere, analyzing its composition and studying the planet's evolution. These missions will provide valuable data that will help scientists understand Venus's past, present, and future. They will shed light on the planet's extreme climate, its geological history, and the possibility of past life. Venus, a reflection and a lesson. Venus, Earth's twisted, evil twin, stands as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes a planet habitable. It's a world of extremes where a runaway greenhouse effect has created a scorching hellscape, yet beneath its hostile exterior lies a treasure trove of scientific knowledge. By studying Venus, we gain a deeper understanding of planetary evolution, the dynamics of atmospheres, and the factors that contribute to a planet's habitability. It reminds us of the preciousness of our own planet and the importance of protecting it for future generations. As we continue to explore this enigmatic planet, we unravel secrets not only about Venus itself, but also about the history of our solar system and the possibilities that lie beyond.